the pressure builds, the heat rises, and eventually in 2018, that beautiful manicured heel that we had didn't just crack, it erupted.
Total crisis hit our marriage. And what we thought was a solid hill actually erupted with sewage everywhere. And that sewage looked like secrets, addictions, all the unhealed wounds from our past, pain, trauma, and it went everywhere. It had been rotting under the surface of this fresh green grass on top, and it was suddenly exposed in the most raw and painful way.
It was raw. And what we learned is a truth that we want to present right now, today. It was a truth that every single person in this room, every single person online, that you need today. And that is when there is unhealed wounds from your past that leave you believing and living in the lies of false identities, it will erupt all over your life, all over the people around you.
And listen, it doesn't have to take crisis to get healing. It took that for us because of the condition of our hearts. But we want you to hear our hearts on this today, that we're not here to hand you a fancy rake or give you premium grass seed to plant in your marriage. We're actually here to pull back the layers and look at the root and unpack the sewage that maybe you don't even know is there, so that you can get to the absolute root. And that is where freedom is available. And for some of you, your marriage has been struggling. You walked in this room feeling hopeless. And as we go throughout the day today, you're going to see there is hope. There is always hope in Jesus. And that's what we're here to share. This is not an ordinary marriage conference. I want you to think of this as a freedom marriage conference, because that's what you're going to leave here with today.
When that sewage erupted that we're talking about, the true condition of the soils of our hearts were completely laid bare. As we're going through today, consider that for yourself. What would it be like if you could examine the soil of your heart?
Parts of my soil were completely hardened, shut down from deep pain and long-standing hurts that had been going on for years. Other parts of my heart were completely shallow. I was so let down by the fantasy of what I thought marriage should offer. And I stuffed down these massive, unhealed trauma and wounds from my past. And I was deceived into thinking, we have a marriage problem. And I walked away because I wanted to walk away, because from where I stood and where I was looking, my soil looked fine, which meant you